Hi, good afternoon. This is Alex from Internet Code. Today, I just want to do a quick tutorial with you, right? To show you how to actually to set up this traffic and migrants, right? Many of you have seen this offer, which was launched, I think, 2 days back, right? Okay. I have also posted a similar review video on this YouTube channel. If you take a look, this is one I posted before, right? Okay. So this is the one I posted before. Okay. So you can see in this review video, I actually have done a review on the traffic and Magellan's. This is my review page as basically. I've also offered a lot of bonuses inside this one. But I think what is lacking here is many of you may be wondering, oh, this is something really technical. I don't know how to set up this, and this could be a difficult, or it could be something that prevent you to get this traffic and migrants, and also to benefit from this product, right? Okay, so today I'm actually shooting this really quick, really short review exclusive tutorial. This tutorial is actually basically want to show you how you can actually set up this traffic and migrants, right? Also, I have also updated in my review page here, right? Okay, if you get this traffic and migrants via the link below this video, I'm going to offer you a very extra exclusive bonus. So I think this only come from me, right? I will actually help you to set up the traffic and marketing trick for your site and page, right? Okay, so you just need to give me the page. You can email me the page, right? Then I can help you to actually insert this code inside the traffic and marketing. If you are someone who is new to the technical, someone who may be struggling when you see the code, right? Because this requires you to open the HTML code and also insert the code inside, and there is some little bit modification on the code itself, right? So I'm okay to help you, right, with these bonuses, right? Okay, I think this is only one of the added advantage of bonuses I'm actually will be given to you as part of this purchase. If you purchase the traffic and marketing via my link below this video, you are going to get this offer, right? All right. Okay, right now let me quickly take you through to this how exactly to implement this. The implementation part is what I'm going to share with you. I'm using my own website, my own page to actually show you how to set up this traffic and backends, right? Okay, many of you may be struggling when you see the HTML code, right? Actually, this is really simple. It's really simple code to paste, but you need to paste the code at the right place, right? If you paste it in a long place and there's some modification you have to do some modification on the code itself, right? Else this thing will not work, right? Okay, let me quickly show you. Okay, so in front of you, you can see this is one of my landing page or opt-in page I have been using to promote many affiliate offer, right? Okay, so this is a normal landing page. Inside here, there's an opt-in email here, right? Okay, right. So the code is actually to place behind this one. So when people click this button, they will actually open more tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, right? So this is exactly how this traffic and mechanisms work, right? Okay, so let me show you example like if you're driving a traffic from solo app, or you're driving traffic from this pay app from Google or Bing app, any kind of traffic, when people come to this page, right, first thing if you see, if you opt in, right, if you opt in using for example, like opt in like this one, using this email, okay, right, just that for example, okay. Okay, so what happened is that, so this page I already have the code inside, okay, so you see what will happen here, right? Okay, so when you click this button, okay, you can see, okay, this is the page, this is actually the page when they opt in, the page they're going to see, this is they open it on the first step. Okay, this is exactly what we see. Okay, this is exactly the traffic American offer. So so just now in the let me go back to the opt-in page again. Okay, let me go back to the opt-in page again. 1 second, I will show you again. Okay, okay, this is a opt-in page. Just now when I opt in, if we see when I opt in, it will actually open tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, tab 3, tab 4. Okay, so when I opt in to this page, when you opt in is supposedly to like only open up this one, but instead of open up just this page, right, this sales page, it open up another 3 auto commission, so auto the stop measure, and it also open up another live bill sales page, right? So how can this be possible, right? So by doing so, so that's what it means. When one visitor come to this page, instead of just go to this page itself, if you actually open more tab, 1, 2, 3, how many tabs can be opened? Actually, so they say unlimited. It depends on how many links you set inside the code, right? So that is exactly the magic way it happened, right? Okay, so by opening more tab here, mean to say your visitor, you are sending one visitor to the landing page, to this opt-in page, but instead of they just see the page, one page itself, is they see the second, third, fourth, or subsequent page, right? So by opening more tab, mean to say you are exposing this more offer to your subscriber or to your potential customer. By doing so, they are able to actually have more option. They have more different choices, right? So this is it likely is going to actually increase your conversion and also increase your profit, right? So this is how traffic and algorithms work, right? There is a trick concept behind the traffic and algorithm. So basically is to actually to open up more offer, have expose more offer to your client, to your buyer, right? Okay, so they can actually make their decision which one they want to go, right? Instead of they just present them one offer, they can open 1, 2, 3, or even more offer here. So that is exactly what happened here. Okay, right? So let me also quickly show you inside the code. Okay, so this is I just quickly show you this is exactly the code here. This is one of these I'm actually showing you from the HTML page of this, right? Okay, so inside here, if you open this HTML page, you can see this is a code that actually come up with this page, right? But so way to paste the code. So inside the training, when you purchase the traffic and algorithms, inside the dashboard, they will actually give you a code. I can't actually show you the code here, so because I encourage you to get these tools, because this is really useful, really powerful tools, right? Okay, so where exactly to place the code? The code has to place just before the close of the body. In HTML, if you are familiar with HTML, you can see HTML is always start with body, and HTML open is something like this. This one header, and they will have body. Okay, they will have body, they will have close header, and at the end of the file, they will actually close the body and close HTML. So where exactly to place the code? The code you have to place it here. This is a skeleton I'm showing here. This is not exact code, but the code inside, when you buy the traffic and algorithms, the code it will actually start with script. You will start with this one and we end this one. In between, that's where the magic will happen, right? In between, that's where you actually replace the link 1, 2, 3. So that's how I place 3 links. Okay, so if you want to open 4 tabs, then you have to place 4 different links here. Okay, you can place more links, it's up to you. Just now I already placed 3 links. Okay, so that's a code. So this way the place you actually have to place a code here before the closing of body and before the closing of HTML. Okay, most of the page builder like this page of ClickFunnels, and they can actually see the source code. Okay, so someday we actually have a textbook for you to actually input your custom code. So this way you actually have to place it, right? Okay, I'm just showing you an example here, right? Okay, so that is where you can actually place a page code. Okay, so if you are using the ClickFunnels, they could be some way of custom. They must have a textbook called custom code. You can actually place a code here. The custom code is actually, when you place any code inside a custom code, normally it's a JavaScript here. JavaScript is something good like script open and script close, right? Okay, so you can copy. So when you purchase the traffic and algorithms, you can copy this whole chunk of code, right, and paste it inside the custom code of a ClickFunnels or the page, right? Definitely, they will have a place for you to place a code before the closing of the body and the closing of the HTML tag, right? Okay, so this is exactly how it happened, right? Okay, I can't show you the exact code here, right? The exact code is where the magic will happen, right? What I can show you is that is exactly how it works. Okay, so you can have more link 5 links, well, you have more 10 links also. But my advice to you is don't open too many links. I think 3 or 4 is good enough, right? If you open more links, people may feel it's quite a spamming, right? Okay, so just limit you to 3 or 4 links. You can test it out. Okay, so just purchase this via my link below. Okay, so I'm going to give you, if you are still struggling how to actually to configure this code inside your the lead page or ClickFunnels, right? I can give you advice, okay, or I can actually, or it's just a pure HTML file, I can actually tell you where to paste the code, right? Okay, so exactly where it happened is to be before this closing of body and before closing of HTML tag, right? Okay, so coming up to this debut page here, right? So I'm actually added one very exclusive bonus only for me, right? Okay, myself is I was a programmer for many years. I know how to do HTML code, and I can actually tell you where exactly you have to place it, right? Okay, right. Even inside the WordPress, okay, in the WordPress is some plugin that you can actually place the custom code before the closing of the body and HTML tag, right? Okay, so I'm giving you this exclusive bonus. If you purchase the traffic Armageddon via the link below this video, I'm going to give you this. I'm going to guide you how to set up this, right? Okay, for sure it's going to work. It's a simple HTML code, but many of you are not coming from the programmer background. You may be struggling how to do this, but actually I can help you to do this, right? Yeah. Okay, so just click the link below this video. You're going to get this one. Bonuses and all other bonuses I've showed you before, all this bonus one, okay, they are all high quality bonus. Bonus 2 is all cloud app. This is my own product, PLR. You can access to 6,000 PLR. Also, this is funnel builder. This is also one of these cloud app. Okay, so I'm giving you all these high quality bonuses, right? Okay, there are 5 or 6 cloud app here, and there are also some really exclusive tutorial training course or traffic sources, right? Okay, so all this is just for the $17 you are actually getting all this, and on top of that, you are also I will actually help you to set up the code and to make sure this traffic Armageddon, this trick can actually you can benefit from this trick, right? By open this Medi tab. Also, they can actually make more sale, more conversion, right? Okay, all right. So I hope you understand my tutorial here, and I actually encourage you to pick up the traffic Armageddon just via the link below this video, and you are going to get all these bonuses here, right? I'm here to help you. Let me make my hand dirty for you, right? I'm hand holding you to get this work for you, right? Thank you, bye.